Alright, so I've got all the O-rings put in, and best thing to use is a little pick like this. I think we got these from Harbor Freight, or rather Tractor Supply, I think. But you just want to go in here, and that O-ring that's right there, that white O-ring, clear O-ring, you just pick it, pull it out, and then replace it. And that's the only replaceable O-ring for this type of SCV. Here's the old O-ring. They kind of get hard and break. Let's see, see. But anyhow, just thought I'd share that, help somebody out.